what's going on? Welcome to the channel. How are you? Okay guys, in this video, I want to start a series of how to play your guitar faster. And stick around, because in this first episode, I have some basic and great tips for you. So, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing first, keep your hand completely relaxed, okay? Completely relaxed. And start doing this movement here. 1, 2 at the A string, 1 at the E string. Go back to the A string, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Do the same at the D string, 1, 2. Go to the A string, 1. Go back to the D string, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And now go to the G string and 1, 2. Go to the D string again, 1. Go back to the G string and 1, 2, 3. Okay? Do the same with the B string, 1, 2. Go to the G string, 1. And back to the B string, 1, 2, 3. And then go to the E high, okay? And 1, 2. Go to the B string, 1. And back to the E high, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Do this up and down, okay? So return to the B, B again, D, G, D, A, 1, G, A, Mi, A, okay? And guys, do this this exercise. Maintain this movement here with your fingers, just with your fingers. Keep your hand still, okay? Completely still, relaxed but completely still, and do this movement here, okay? Move just your fingers, and you can speed up, okay? While you do this exercise. Let's go. Okay? Okay? Try to maintain your hand still, okay? And move just your fingers. It seems a little difficult at the beginning, okay? But with time, you find this more easy, okay? But practice, practice. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for today. But stay tuned for the next episodes, okay? And if you haven't done it already, please subscribe to the channel and give me a like, okay? I really appreciate your support, guys. And otherwise, thanks a lot for watching. And remember to want me to succeed. Keep safe, mind the gap, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.